Referee gives a whistle and the game starts off. The back pass by the Palkias, the jersey number 26, in the control of the ball, passes on to jersey 23. That's a wonderful color jersey with Palkias carrying it. Let's see how colorful the game should be. In green jersey, we have the SC Beckham, and the yellow and the rainbow color, that is Palkia FC. The heat is on as well as the game. Beckham just throws the ball in the center, then not able to control the ball, but very well passed on to jersey number 8. Again back, tries to hit it and pass it on, but very well saved by the goalie. I think the goalie has been hurt, so just sat down. Is on his feet right now. The game is all set. The goalie passes the ball to jersey 26. Passes on his right to his teammate. He passes straight but wrong placement of the ball. There's a whistle by the referee. The ball is back with the Palkias. The Palkia jersey 2 is running around. Straight goes on. Deep, not able to take it forward, but gives back jersey 23. Again back to jersey number 26. They start the game almost like a defensive, but might take little power after some time. And dusts are blowing and the sun is scorching. The Palkias could have a good control of the ball, but Beckham is as well as the same. They are youngsters, quite youngsters, running across, passing towards the penalty area. Good save by the goalie. That's the referee having a talk with jersey number 7 from Beckham. The next match is between Yons FC and JKFC. So requesting both the teams to get ready. Nice ball, position, nice tackle, just moving forward. Beckham has a nice control of the ball. Pass it on. The green jersey, the Beckhams, and the rainbow jersey is of the Palkias. Gives a kick which is very outside of the goal. Goalie gets the ball, passes on to the jersey number 26. He passes on the left to jersey 23. He takes it forward. Try to pass it on back to jersey 26. They are showing very defensive game, not attacking as much as they are the attacking team, but not as much. Again back to Beckham, and Beckham boys are doing very well, but not able to have the possession of the ball long time. Referee whistles and the game stops. The ball is handed over to Beckham FC. Kicked in the penalty area above the crossbar, just behind the goal post. Goalie takes another ball, comes inside. Take a position, passes to jersey number 26. They have the similar tactics going on, passing it on the number 23. But the jersey number 20 taking charge, passing it out to number 2 of Palkias. Palkias back to jersey number 26. Again, jersey number 9 taking it forward, taking a shot towards the penalty area, but no one is there to collect the ball. And now few players coming around, but wrong pass. The ball is in possession with Beckham now. The Palkia jersey 23 takes the ball back. Again, pass it is on trying to push near the penalty area, but not able to penetrate in the goal. Beckham players passing it on very well passed. Let's see if they can convert, come near the goal post. It's passed to jersey number 3. He can pass it to number 7, but not able to. Its ball is still in the playing area. Wrong pass. Again, the Palkias have the ball. Jersey number 17. Ball is outside the playing area. Jesse Beckham's goalie collects the ball, passes it on to his teammate. Pass it on to jersey number 9, again back to jersey number 8. Nice pass, but not able to collect the ball. The ball is now outside the playing area. Palkias get the ball back. It's been a wonderful day today. We have very tough matches. A lot of good teams. We got a very good team right now, which is both the teams are well known. The Palkia FC and SC Beckham. The defender passes on, but a wrong pass. Again, SC Beckham has a position. Try to stop it, but not able to. This goes outside the line of the playing area. The ball is passed back to the goalie of Palkias. Palkias passing on to his first defender, jersey 26, then pass it on ahead. Back to jersey number 8. Wrong pass given, again collected by the Palkias. Jersey number 24 heads it to jersey number 9. But again, very well defended by the SC Beckham. The Palkias get the ball. It's a throw ball now. Pass it on to the defender, number 26. He's playing forward. Hits it in the penalty area, but very bad shot. Very outside of the goal. Both the teams have not shown any threat as far. Playing very defensive game. The game is very slow. Not aggressive. Aggression is less. No attacking. Both the teams are playing very defensive game. That's the reason game is very slow. Yes, Beckham passes on to jersey number 8 to 11. Pass it on to jersey 6, but very well defended by Palkias 23. 23 passes on. Very well tackled and given it to jersey number 8. Very well tackled back to Beckham's, and Beckham's passing it on to jersey number 6. Again to 8. The header, this is a nice header given on by the Palkia. Again back. Beckham have a chance here, but again the ball is out of the playing area. Jersey number 6, Aman showing aggression out here. There's a less aggression, but I guess as the game progresses, there should be more aggression. And both the teams are hungry for the goal, but the hunger is not as much as look. Very windy, dusty atmosphere right now, which is going on. Very winds are blowing, very heat, very tough for the players. Palkias get the ball, 8 number passes it to 2, rushing it out, but loses the ball again. That has been the story till now. Not able to convert, not even able to get the ball near the penalty area. There have been both the teams have been defensive. The possessions are almost 50-50, but still no aggression. One or twice the Beckhams have been able to come to the penalty area, but not near the goal post. No shots been hit on the goal. Still, both the teams are nil. Palkias 23 goes forward, kicks it off at the wrong corner, and the ball is outside the playing area. A referee is whistling for a ball. The ball is back on the ground. Here we go. The game progresses. Beckham throws the ball, but back to the Palkia's jersey number 26. The referee stops the game, and it's a half time. So without any goal score, it's half time. DJ. Requesting JKFC and Yons FC to come for the photograph next to the stage. Requesting both the teams, Yons FC and JKFC, come next to the stage for the photograph. Welcome back to this wonderful evening that is sunny, very dusty. But as the heat goes on, there is a wonderful match going on out here for the Jesus Heart Foundation Football Tournament. It's the second day. Back to the game, that second half with no goal scored yet. Nice tackle by the jersey number 8. Shoots at the goal. That's the first shot which has been shot directly on goal, but saved by the Palkia goalkeeper. Palkia is also showing that both the teams are now in more aggression, and jersey number 9 shooting it to the goal, but very well saved by the goalie. That's Keith number 1. Jersey number 3 passes on to jersey 10, the back pass. Again a back pass to jersey 13, and he just tackles it, trying to take a pass, and passes on to the jersey number 10. The Beckham, yes, he Beckham's had the nice control of the ball. 14 now, jersey number 14 pushes up, but wrong pass again goes. The ball goes to the Palkias. Palkias kicking to the jersey number 9, but as he stops it, the ball is bounce back to the Beckham. Beckham takes the control of the ball again, trying to push in the penalty area, but not able to succeed, as now nobody is able to make any goals yet. The ball is now out of the playing area. Palkia jersey 2 passes back to the defender number 26, kicks it towards the Beckham goal post, but not able to make it. The ball is outside the playing area. It's been dusty and hot and sweaty, but as you see, the weather conditions are very hot and humid. The play has been stopped for a while. The ball has been outside the ground. Very tough conditions, but as you see, the love for the football is as much there. The handball is thrown by the Beckham's. This pass, the Palkias take control, try to kick it inside. Yes, that's the goal. First goal for the Palkias. What a shootout. That's a back kick, wonderful back kick where the jersey number 9 shoots it. And the Palkias get the first goal. Nazar chuki aur durghatna ghati. That was with the goalkeeper Keith.
Hello, mic check. Hello, mic check.
काफी शानदार पास, जर्सी नंबर 13 आगे दौड़ते हुए दौड़ लगाए उन्होंने वापिस बेकहम अपने टीम मेट को पास करते हुए, लेकिन डिफेंडर ने अच्छा टैकल कर दिया पालकिया के. फिर से जर्सी नंबर 9 पालकिया का उनको मौका है एक गोल दागने का, देखते हुए दाग पाते हैं कि नहीं, लेकिन काफी अच्छी टैकलिंग ऑफ द बॉल है. रेफरी गिव्स अ व्हिसल एंड द बॉल इज पास बैक टू द पालकियास. There's a free kick given to Palkia. Let's see if they can score a second goal. They have an opportunity out here. Nice try, but it is just above the corner of the goal post, behind the goal, and misses it with a small margin. Jersey number 15 passes on to 14 of Beckham. Yes, Beckham passes to the jersey number 10. Nice tackle, taking it forward, speeding it up, passes it on. Jersey number 13. He gives a kick towards the penalty area. They have a the goal is wide open, but not able to collect the ball. And very well defended by the Palkias. Nice defense shown here by the Palkias, the very good defender. The ball is now in control of the Beckhams. Kicks it back. The ball is in another corner outside the playing area. Palkias have shown a lot of aggression in this second half of the game. And they had a chance of getting a second goal as well, but they missed that out with a small margin. The first goal which they scored was a wonderful, the back kick from jersey number 9. The Palkias defense is not allowing the Beckhams to get in. The ball is outside the playing area. This ball has been thrown inside. Again, it is collected by the Palkias. Palkias have a jersey number 9. It's a wonderful player, showing light. There's a chance and he kicks it. The second goal for the Palkias. What a goal. Wonderful. That was a great shot taken. The position was already taken and the goal post was open. But the second goal, as I said, in the second half, the Palkas are showing very, very good aggression. They are just shooting towards the goal. And they had a third chance, which they, two of two they converted into goals. They missed one. But as we see, the Beckhams are not able to shoot the ball near the goal. Like they are going haywire just on the right and left of the goal or in the corner, but not able to come even in the defense penalty area. And but as you see, the defense as well as the strikers are very in attacking mode. The Palkias are doing great. He lost the control of the ball, and the ball is outside the playing area. Is given back to the Beckham. Beckham's number 4 collects the ball, throws it to jersey number 15, who has just entered the ground. Jersey number 15 passing it on. Again back to jersey 15. Give a wrong pass by the jersey number 15. Again the ball is in the position of Palkias. Palkias able to make, not able to collect the ball. Jersey number 9 is doing wonderful. Again Beckham's collect the ball. Jersey number 10 shoots it back to the 8. Again they are not able to enter the penalty area. Shooting on the right and the left side of the goal post on both the corners, but not able to be near the goal. So the concentration level is quite less, as you see.
Hello, Sagar. Sagar, you are requested at the stage. Hello, Sagar.
Requesting Sagar, paging for Mr. Sagar here. Beckham, jersey 13, passes it on. They have a wonderful chance, but very well defended by the goalie. The Palkas goalie has shown great courage coming forward and saving it. The defender pushes back, and there's a whistle from the referee. The game progresses. It's been handed over to the Palkas for a kick. Palkas defense is very strong. They're not allowed any of the strikers to enter even in the penalty area. But they're trying it very difficult to even be near the goal post or in the penalty area. Giving a shot again. They miss the goal post from very far, like it's like a very big distance. Not able to, as we see, able to kick the ball in the center of the goal post. It's going left, right, and above, not in the center. Palka defense passes on to the goalie. Goalie passes on back. The goalie comes forward to the play and kicks it to the jersey number 9, but jersey number 9 not able to collect it, and the ball goes out of the playing area. The Beckham jersey 10 throws the ball to jersey number 15. But nice tackle by Palkias. Palkias are not able to, nice tackle, but not able to have the control of the ball. Again, the ball is back. The Palkias showing great courage, very aggressive mood. In the second half, they have been very sleepy mood in the first half, but I think the second half given to them, they have the power, have shown some power and aggression. They scored 3 goals. They had a chance of making two goals, but had a chance of making it for 3, but they missed out on the third one. But as you see, the Beckhams are not able to make any shot on the goal. As a defender, very strong of the Palka. They're pushing the ball back, and Beckhams get their corner again. I hope they have some kick at again they're not able to convert the corners or free kicks into any chances as also, not even the chances. Yeah, you got a chance, and yeah, but I guess He misses out and the ball goes outside the playing area. Wonderful. That was a wonderful aggression showed by the jersey number 9. He's been very aggressive. Requesting Yon FC and JKFC to come next to the stage for the photograph. Requesting Yon FC and JKFC, both the teams, Yon FC and JKFC, come for the photograph. That's the end of the match and Palkia won at 2-0. Requesting both the team, Yon FC and JKFC, for the photograph. Requesting both the team, Yon FC and JKFC. Requesting any one of the players of Palkia FC to come here. Cedric. Requesting Palkia FC one player to be here. Requesting any of one player from Palkia FC to come forward.